Welcome everyone. Finally, the OnePlus 80 has brought the beta 6 version of the software, and it has come with a little improvement in its update. Let us see. Its build number is OP8002 beta 6, and it has come in KB 2003 model. And talking about its feature, it has improved the power consumption performance to extend the battery life. That means it has improved some power consumption rate, but you have to use the mobile for few days to see if it's working. Similarly, always on display, we got one features that we can screenshot the always on display, which was not available in beta 5. And the Android security patch, now the Android security patch has updated. Android security patch has also updated. To 2021-601. Similarly, if you are using the OnePlus Watch and OnePlus Bird, there was some connection issues in audio experience, which has been improved now. Similarly, OnePlus Share improved the UI visual effect of sharing the page, and there was a issue of occasional Wi-Fi network connection failure, which has been improved in this build. And this build is available now for OnePlus 80. So these are the main features of OnePlus 80 new open beta 6 software. Not too much of improvement. We are hoping for a major improvement in upcoming builds. For now, it's just improving some of its minor bugs. That's all what it is doing in its beta version. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get updated about the software, various software and other things. Thank you very much.